So I'm thinking about life and particularly how significant life is. Human life, for example, is the way human life operates here on Earth. Is it the same life that exists on other planets, in other solar systems, elsewhere in the universe? It just seems unlikely to me that humans are the only forms of life. It does seem to me that the universe is big, supposedly infinite, whatever, and there are bound to be other life forms out there, and we may or may not encounter them one day. But the point is, these other life forms do exist, and it is very difficult to believe that humanity is the other only form of life that there is out there. So I am wondering if it's remotely possible we will ever meet other life forms. It's so difficult to know about likelihoods, and it's just difficult to know where we stand in relation to other life forms. It could be that other life forms are millions of light years away. I think that the extent of the universe does seem to be infinite. So it could be that there are essentially an infinite number of other life forms out there. But the size of the universe means that we might never meet these other aliens. And it's frustrating to not know if there is life out there, and to not know if we'll ever encounter life, even if it is out there. So I'm wondering if life exists just for the sake of life existing, that there's no purpose to life. I'm thinking that even if we were to encounter another life form, I'm thinking, so what? We'll probably end up having a war with them. And if we didn't, I don't see how we could achieve anything or do anything useful. But I do know that other life has to be out there. The universe is pretty big, and life is not particularly complex. So there's no reason there couldn't be loads of life out there. I am thinking that life just does seem to be just living for the sake of living. It's hard to see any kind of purpose. It's just strange that life does not seem to have any reason, any purpose behind it. And I think life must be common as much. And there's other life out there almost for sure. There's no way that we're unique.